reception.
Thank you, Mr. Tete. How about listening? What is listening? Miss Micabello?
Listening is the active phase of speech reception.
Oh my God! Oh.
Okay, class, that's enough. So, hearing and listening. Hearing is a natural process of receiving oral or visual stimuli. While listening is more of than hearing, it is a skill. So, this means that listening is a skill that can be acquired, while hearing is a psychological nature. Hearing is the passive phase of speech reception, while listening is the active phase. Oh, Mr. Dingle, this is your second offense. Oh. Listening is the active phase of speech reception. So, good hearing is needed for effective listening. So, this means that in order for you to understand the conveyed message, you need to have good hearing. Good hearing is not synonymous to good listening. So, for example, if you are at a crowd and you are talking to your friend, so in order to listen well to what your friend is conveying or what your friend is saying, you need to have good hearing in order to understand the message being conveyed. So, 4 different types of listening. So, there are 4 different types of listening. First is acquisitive listening, critical listening, comprehensive listening, and emphatic listening. So, appreciative listening is listening for pleasure, entertainment, or enjoyment. So, this is when you are having jokes around with your friends. So, the next is critical listening. This is a listening to make an evaluation for intellectual judgment, to criticize or to evaluate ideas of others. So, critical listening is present in class or when you are listening to instructions. Third is comprehensive listening. Listening to derive information, facts, ideas, and principles. So, this is when you are comprehensive listening. Listening to derive information, facts, ideas, and principles. So, this is also present in class when you are listening to the teacher. So the last one is emphatic listening. Listening to right emotional support. So this is present when your friend has a problem and he or she shares it to you. So, excuse me. Hello? Yes? What time? Now? Okay. Okay. Bye. Sorry class, but I have to go because I have to attend an important meeting. So that's all for today. Let's continue next meeting. Oh, before I forget, your attendance. Galera.
Teacher.
Talon. Sir. Agad. Sir. Sete.
Present.
Tacho. Isabelo.
Present.
Lingal. Caprido.
Sir.
Okay, that's all for today. You may now go.
Hey bro.
Okay, go up. Go.
Hey, brother, are we going home now?
Sis, I'm sorry I can't go with you because I have my basketball practice now. So you can go home alone and just take care. I have to go because it's very in a hurry.
Bye, brother. Where are they? They said that we're going to make a project in this area. But where are they?
Let's go to my house. We will have some party.
Wait! How about Sophie? she's expecting that we would finish our project today.
Come on, guys. It's a stupid person.
Yeah.
That we believe of what they...
Here at all.
Guys, stop talking about Sophie. She's out of our league.
Yeah!
So let's party now.
Party!
Ah, so excited. Coming to our house.
Come in! Oh, you got everything done.
Oh, where's the emperor door? Hey, where's the ring?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, guys. I will get the drink. Oh, here we are.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Do you want this?
Yes, I love it.
Oh. So you select all the products you said.
Hey.
Cheers.
That's your shot. Drink it. Go, 20. Salon, it's your turn.
Yeah.
Oh, salon, come on.
Come on.
You're drinking? Oh my god.
Yeah. This is a party party.
Nice one, nice one.
I think it's good.
Hello,
Oh, come on. Party. Last round. Salon. Back. No pan, no pan.
It's your turn.
Go, Salon. Yeah.
Yeah. Got you. Sleeping anywhere.
Guys, I need to go to CR.
Okay.
Guys.
The place? Oh my god. Where's the... What are they doing there? Ipanangit na lagi mo.
No.
Pwede ko ba panigan?
Agad.
Munta na mi.
Guys, look what we have.
Sophie, you're here.
Go!
Ito na yun, undak. Amoy na.
Go. Come on, Bob.
Sophie, is that you? Oh, it's just my imagination.
Dahil maglakaw sa kuya. to our friends? They are killed one by one.
Whose friends you're talking
Who
about?
killed them? I think Sophie killed him. It's ridiculous. Friend, what happened to your friend? Mark, what happened? What happened to you? Do you remember what you have done to me? What?
Three.